Hey guys, and today I was just looking through my phone until when I found the until I found a slime kit. Since since Izzy has been begging me for a slime kit, I started getting it for her. So I ordered it, and then if and it got okay. I was gonna go put her to bed. Then then 2 days passed because it was 2 days passed, and then dun, 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 the slime kit arrived. So I heard a knock on my door, so I rushed to the door to see what it was until I found it was Izzy's slime kit, and I told her it was your slime kit. She was super duper happy. She really wanted to try it. So I watched her try it. So she was gonna make her this pink slime first. She had this little glue, and then she had the activator, and then boom, she made the first slime. She loved the pink one. Then she made the other one. It was like a light bluish. She really liked the light blue, and then she tried the dark blue, and then she made this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful slime. And she said her favorite was this one, and yeah, if you want to use this idea, please give me credits. Bye.